The storm was already sliding east when the sun punched through a thin gap on the horizon. I was on the rim of Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park, packing up, when a perfect arc of color formed overhead. I dropped my tripod back on the gravel, widened the lens to hold the entire rainbow, and let the dark cloud ceiling fill most of the frame so the glowing band read like a dome over the landscape. A strip of golden light hit the shrubs and rocks in front of me, so I anchored the bottom edge with that warm patch to balance the cool sky. Rain smelled sharp on dust and sage. I could hear it falling in sheets out on the plateau while my spot stayed dry. Wind pushed at my jacket, but eased long enough for a clean exposure. I focused on the lit foreground so the rainbow stayed crisp, stopped down for depth, and waited for the color to peak. When the arc brightened and the cloud base turned soft amber, I pressed the shutter. On your wall, this photograph brings drama and hope in one view. Storm dark sky, a full rainbow, and sunlit Colorado brush. It suits a living room, office, hallway, or mountain cabin where bold western landscape belongs. Your print is produced by a professional lab on premium photo paper with canvas, metal, or acrylic options available. Pick the size that fits your space and keep that fleeting rainbow moment close.